Hi students, welcome to 10th standard class. Today we will see topic number 1, similarity from your mathematics part 2 book. Now in this topic we will study ratio of areas of two triangles, then basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, test of similarity of triangles, property of an angle bisector of a triangle, property of areas of similar triangles, and the ratio of the intercepts made by the transversal by three parallel lines. Now, let us recall. We have studied ratio and proportion. The statement, the numbers A and B are in the ratio m upon n is also written as the number A and B are in proportion m is to n. For this concept, we consider positive real numbers. We know that the lengths of the line segments and areas of any figure are positive real numbers. Here we are not using negative numbers. We know the formula of area of a triangle. That is, area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height, or in short, area of a triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by b multiplied by h. Now let us learn ratio of areas of two triangles. Here in your book they given the two triangles. These are triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now let us find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. In triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AD. Same way, in triangle PQR, PS is the height and QR is the base. So area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by QR multiplied by height, means 1 by 2 multiplied by QR multiplied PS. Now we want to write the ratio of these two triangles. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to half into BC into AD upon half into QR into PS. Now next we can write this as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC multiplied by AD upon QR multiplied by PS. Here 1 by 2 cancel with 1 by 2 and we will get the ratio area of both triangle is equal to base into height upon base into height. Hence, the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. Base of triangle is B1 and height is H1. Base of another triangle is B2 and height is H2. Then the ratio of their areas we can write as ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to B1 upon B2 multiplied by H1 upon H2, or we can write it as B1 multiplied by H1 upon B2 multiplied by H2. Suppose some conditions are imposed on these two triangles. Now we will see condition 1. If the heights of both the triangles are equal, then we will get the ratios of areas of two triangles as B1 upon B2. Or we will see here. Here they given the two triangles ABC and PQR. AD is the height of triangle ABC and PS is the height of triangle PQR. According to our formula of ratio of areas of two triangles, we will write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC multiplied by AD upon QR multiplied by PS. So here height is same. They showed it by letter H. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into H upon QR into H. Height is same. So it's equal to BC upon QR. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 upon B2. Now, by this we will get the property that the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now, we will see the second condition. If the bases of both the triangles are equal, then here area of triangle ABC upon another triangle is triangle APB. So we will take the ratio of these two triangles, then we will get that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB is equal to AB into H1 upon AB into H2. Here base of both the triangles are equal. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB is equal to H1 upon H2. So we will get the property that the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So by these two properties, they given the activities there. So you have to write these activities in your notebook. Again one time I will repeat the properties of areas of two triangles are, first property is if the heights of two triangles are equal, then the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. And second one is the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. From using these two properties, you have to solve the activities based on these properties and solve the examples in your notebook. Okay, bye.